Hi guys, thank you for watching this video. I am starting a channel to do unboxing video, and for this very first video that you will see on this channel, I will be unboxing this Kubo 24/7U. Okay, so Kubo is my favorite character in the Pop Mart series, and so when I saw this, and it's so cute, they're all animals, you see? They're all animals here. I really like all of them. There's not a single character here that I do not like. So I decided to buy a whole case, and so I was thinking like I really want to record down the experience that I have opening a case, and I just want to do a video, and I just want to show it with everyone. So yeah, and I'm very excited, and because this is my first video, so there will be a lot of cringe. I don't know what to say, so bear with me, okay? Yeah, let's do this. I'm going to open this now and see what we can find inside here. Yay, brand new box. Brand new case, actually. Give me a moment. New case. This is how you do it. Ta-da! So 12 boxes here, and I will be opening up. So before I open any of the boxes, I just want to share with you guys that there are 12 characters inside here, and my favorite character, my top 3 actually, that I really like is the I really like See You at 5:30 p.m., the green one. I also like Summer Love. I think it's a fox or something like that. This one, the one with the guitar. And I also like Can't Let Go. I think it's a cat playing with a yarn ball. Yeah, so those 3 are my favorite. I want to see how they look like in actual, and those are my top 3. Once I open them, all 12 of them, I'll decide if my ranking still the same, and I'll rank them from my favorite to the least, and see if you guys share the same with me. And do drop in the comments if, let's say, you feel otherwise, you prefer another figurine, another design better than mine. Okay, so I'm gonna unbox this one now. This is the first one. So exciting! I walked past so many Pop Mart store and I didn't buy them because I already got a case. I was like waiting to make this video. So this is my first unboxing of this Kubo 24/7. Okay. First one. Yes. Which one is this? I got, ta-da! Oh, this one is the Full Sweetness. This one is called Full Sweetness. So it's holding a boba tea, holding a boba, and this one, it says that it's a bear here, but he looks like a raccoon to me because it has this raccoon tail holding a boba. It's so cute. Neat. My first Kubo 24/7 figurine. Full sweetness. Let's go to second box. Okay. This is the second box. What will we get here? I still haven't opened my top 3, but it's only the first one. That's here. Ta-da! Oh, is this what I think it is? There's nothing inside there. No more. This is the guitar one. Yay! This is the one that I wanted. My top 3. This is the Summer Love. This one. Yay! Summer Love. Summer Love is a wolf, according to the description card. And I really like this design because it's cool, as you can see, and he has a guitar on his guitar case on his back, and it's so detailed. Look at this, it's so cool. It has all the graffiti stuff, and the design of the Kubo is really cool too. So even though it's cute, but it's cool. I like this a lot. This is my favorite. Still is my favorite after looking at it now. Okay. So this is my second one. Let's do the third box now. Yeah. So my top 3, I already opened one. I already got one of them. So let's do the third one. So exciting. The cool thing about opening a whole case is I know I'll get all 12. It's just whether I will get the secret. Third one. What do I get here? 1, 3. The third one is, oh, this one should be a surprise. I'm seeing a cat. Oh, the rabbit. This is the rabbit one. Yay, this one is the rabbit. Is there anything here? He is called Sharing Music with You. Yeah. So he's a rabbit with a very cool cap. He's holding a phone here with an what do you call this? I call it AirPod, but earbuds. It's an earbud. And he picked one out, so he wants to share the music with you. So this, sharing music with you. This one, the designs are in front. He has a green pouch here with a very nice rabbit logo. Is it a rabbit? No, smiley face. Smiley face. And it's a rabbit. He has ears at the back with the one AirPod on his hand, one AirPod on his ear. This is so cute. Sharing music. Let's go to the fourth box. Fourth box. Open. Fourth box. Here. My top 3, I have only opened one as of now. Down. Ta-da. Oh my god. This is so cute. So cute. The bear. This is a small bear. The description is small bear. It's called Wishing You Joy. This gives me a lot of joy. Wishing you joy. This one. So he has a very red ribbon on his body. Everything here is, I don't know what I should call this material, furry material on this outfit. And then the hand is furry. His paw, one paw, and it's this cute tail behind him, and kick-ass face like Kubo always has. But it's so cute. It's so cute. Wishing you joy. I wish you joy. Yay! I think you'll go up to top 3. You're so cute. Top 3. Potential. I am at box 5 now. Box 5. You know, when I was thinking about making this video, I thought that it would be very fast. I thought I would finish it in 5 minutes. But no, it's not 5 minutes. Okay, this is box 5. Box 5 with one that I like. Yes, box 5 is. Make sure there's nothing inside. And this is, ta-da! Oh, this is the yarn one. This is one of my top 3. This is there's a cat earlier, so I don't know if this is not a cat. Let's see. So this one comes with a ball, a yarn. So it's supposed to, let me try to figure this out while I film. It is supposed, I think, to hold it like this. I hope I don't drop it. Like that. And it is called Can't Let Go. It's a cat, according to the description card. Can't let go. Oh, this is cute. This is so cute. It's so cute. It has a yarn, as I said. The whiskers is really cute. And then the tail at the back. And yeah, the whiskers. It looks like he's blushing. It does, right? Let me know, do you think he's blushing? Oh, so cute. Okay. So 2 out of my initial top 3 is open. Box 6. This is box 6. Opening my box 6. We are officially almost halfway there. Ta-da. What is this? I can't tell what this is. This is, this is the chef one. No, this is the baker. The baker, does it have any accessory with it? No. This is called Creamy Trap. It's supposed to be a panda. Creamy Trap. So this is a baker. What do you call a person who only makes dessert? He only makes dessert. So he has this cream thing on his hand, and this apron is so cute. And he has 2 black ear on top, like a panda. Black and white stripes. I like his eyebrow, like here. That's so cute. Creamy Trap. I would buy a dessert from him. I would. Miniature is cute. Now box 7. Ta-da! We are at box 7. Trying to not see the card. One, two, three. What is this? What's this? Is it the Loyal Puppy? Oh, it's adorable. So this is the box art Kubo, and this is called Loyal Kubo. It's a Shiba Inu. If you want to know what kind of doggy is this, it's a Shiba Inu. Loyal Kubo. So it's basically getting your bento for lunch. Bentos are usually for lunch. And he is a Shiba Inu. This is the Shiba Inu tail. Shiba Inu ears. It's cute. Shiba Inu. Da da da! I got the box art. I have 5 more boxes left to go. This is box number, I can't count, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, 2, 4, 6, 7. Box 8. Yes, this is box 8. Box 8 here. What do I get for box 8? What is this? Oh. It's the pink one. This one's called. Does it come with anything? Actually, it does come with something. This is called Bedtime Story. Bedtime Story is a sheep. He's a sheep. So in his hand, he's holding a book actually. So this is the book that he is holding. Then if you have a look at the book. So the wonderful thing about PopMart blind box is that it's very detailed. So it will hold the book in this manner, but you can actually read the book if you want. Well, not so much of reading the book, but it looks like this. So there's 2 sheep inside. So he is reading something. It's just not holding a. It's not just holding a white book. Cool. And the card is cute. The card is pink. If you like pink stuff. Bedtime Story. So cute. Okay. 4 boxes left. So this is box 9. Box 9. I feel like there's one more piece I haven't got. I think it's the waiting one that I still haven't got yet. So that was my favorite, the one that I haven't opened yet. If I'm going to buy them individually from PopMart, I think I'll never get it. That's why I bought a case. What is here? Haha. This is. Oh, this is the. This one is actually quite cool. I was thinking if this would be my top 3 initially. because I really like something about this. He is called Racing Paws. It's a fox. Fox ears, fox tail, cool racing outfit. But the best thing about this design is this. he has an aviator glasses here. And this immediately makes him so cool. See? Da 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 da. And his card, look at his card. He has the aviator glasses. Do you like him with or without the glasses? The glasses is magnetic, so you can just, if you like it this way, or you can just like it this way. Nice jacket. I would like a jacket like that. Box 9. Box 9 is racing with you. 3 more. I have 3 more boxes left. I still haven't got the one that I like. The one that I was like in my top 3. Okay. Box 9 here. And box 9 here. Oh. What's wrong with this box? I can't open it. Okay. This box 10, right? Because I only have 3 boxes left. This is, what is this? Ta-da! Oh, this one. This one is the one with the violin. This has some stuff. This is called Romance, and it's a lion. It has a lion. It has a violin here. It has a lion. It has a lion tail here. He is also holding this. I don't know what this is called. Bowl. Is it called bowl? Leave your comments down what this is. I'm not going to look it up. You guys will have to tell me what this is. Here. And this will go into his hand, which is at the bottom of his palm. Like this. Ta-da! Romance. It would be romantic if you have someone play a violin right for you, isn't it? So cute. It's a closed eyes. Kubo. Two box left. Left or right? Left or right? Left. Right. My left. My right. I'll pick this first. I still haven't got the waiting one. It did make me wait, huh? That one. I don't think I'll get a secret. It's already the last 2 boxes. Oh no. I don't think I'll get a secret. Yeah. What is this? I found that here. This is the I still haven't got that one that I want. This is called Crushing on You. It's a snow leopard, according to the card. it's holding a really interesting color combination of skateboard here, and it's a snow leopard, so you see the snow leopard pattern. The hair here is cute, the ear is cute, this ear. Does it come with anything? No, it does not. Crushing on You, the snow leopard. So remember I said my top 3, and one of them that I really like is this See You at 5:20 p.m. This one. I haven't got it yet though. So it's either this is the one that I want, or I don't get the one that I want and I'm gonna secret. I don't think I'm gonna get a secret. It's not that easy. So I'm fairly certain what this is. Fairly certain what this is. Yes, it is. I touched the accessory. Yay! Ta-da! Ding! Okay, this one is really, I really like this a lot. Partially because it has a very long name. See You at 5:20 p.m. Yeah, that's the correct time. See You at 5:20 p.m. It's a reindeer, right? It has a green scarf and green sweater that I like green a lot. And it has this stand. So I think he's waiting for someone, obviously. Always waiting for someone. And an airplane means he's probably catching a flight. Patiently waiting for someone. See you at 5:20 p.m. It's so cute. This is so cute. So it has a really big stand. So just now I touched the stand, so I knew that it's this. And there's a cup here. The cup has a symbol all at the back, and this one is a clock. No, a watch, and the watch is here. Yay! I'm so happy. I got all of them now. All 12 of them. No secret. The secret is actually a beekeeper, if I remember. So if I can figure out how to edit this video, because this is my first one, if I can figure out how to edit this video to put the image of the beekeeper, I will do it somewhere around here. Yeah, but other than that, yay! So I'm going to do a ranking for all the 12 Kubo that I have opened today and see if anything has changed from my initial top 3. So my initial top 3 is this, See You at 5:20 p.m. And then I have this, Summer Love. And the other one is the yarn one, the cat, which I cannot find it here. Oh, it's this one. Yeah. This 3. So stay with me until the very end of this video to see what's the top 3. But because this is the very first unboxing that I have on this channel, so I actually have a bonus clip. I have this fella. He is this loyal Kubo, but much bigger. And this is also a how should I say? This is also a blind box, because the original figure would be this, but much bigger size. It's like my palm size, and it should be this color, but it has a secret version. The secret version is brown, black Shiba Inu. So I've also been like holding on to this box, excited to open it, and I'm going to do it now. Bonus feature for the first video that I got on this channel. So exciting. I should have prepared something to open tape, but I did not. So bear with me for a while. Yay! Royal Kubo. This size. It's so cute. It's so big. It's so big. Yay! So cute. I love you. So thank you guys for watching my very first unboxing video for this channel. I hope to make more of such videos for you guys, basically to share my unboxing experience, or if let's say you need some help to decide if you really want to buy this series or not, you can have a look at my video first and see if it helps you. Or if you feel like I don't need to buy this and I just want to watch someone open it, then I'll open it and you can watch it many times if you want to. And yeah, so if you like this video that you just saw, like in the like the video, share. You can subscribe to my channel so that you'll be notified of future videos that I might put up. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.